let's learn how you can see apps connected to your Google account. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want. So without any delay, let us start by opening Google Chrome first. I will show you this method how you can go to Google account quickly. Click on your profile picture here in top right corner. Now click on your email, scroll down and click on manage your Google account option. It will open you your Google account settings. You will have to click on security tab. Once you're there, you will just have to scroll down a bit and you will find a section your connections to third-party apps, and here every app that is connected to your Google account will appear. As you can see, I have here 26 and more applications, from websites to games, applications, like you will have everything. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.